Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time, we're going to share with you one very potential counter that could come from all over the world, any exchanges around the world. Alright, it could be a stock market, it could be FX, or it could be ETF, it could be a futures product, it could be anything. So stay tuned with us. Monday morning, 9 a.m. Log on to us, subscribe, and I shall be back. Well, it's a big bingo for everyone who has been following us on last week OTOP. Alright, and if you have long Pfizer, congratulations, and we're going to do some small revision on that. And before that, well, welcome to OTOP 66 this week again, and that's for the date 8 November year 2021. Hi and good morning. Alright, this is a weekly episode on OTOP series, and we hope the audience will be getting more and more. So please continue to like us and keep sharing before we start today's episode. Alright, let's take a look on last Friday closing, and well, on Friday we have a very optimistic figure, alright, on the US payroll, which is 531,000 new payrolls gained in the month of October. Alright, and well, all the US triple indexes closed at fresh record high, with Dow Jones closing price at 36,327, S&P 500 settled at 4,697, and Nasdaq, alright, closed at 15,971. And for those people who have been following us consecutively on last 2 weeks, alright, the first bingo was Coinbase 2 weeks ago, and last week was Pfizer. Congratulations, and do stay tuned with us. And today, what are we having on the 8th of November year 2021? Very exciting, some stock pick coming away, and well, if you think all the US triple indexes are making new highs, and of course there's one very interesting market trend on last Friday, and that is gold prices. Spot gold prices went back up and settled above 1,800 US dollars per ounce, and everybody starting to get excited again, thinking, well, we should be going into the gold stock. Well, I don't deny that, but today we are not going to talk about commodities, and something very exciting is really coming away. Stay tuned. All right, and well, before we start, perhaps let us take a revision. Oh, well, this is what we covered on previous OTOP 65 on last Monday. Just a small revision here. As you can see, Pfizer has got very good earning report, above the expectation, just like what we expected, and that is why if last week you would have actually bought in at a price of anywhere below $44 US dollars, $44 per share, and Friday closing price was 48. And well, we foresee that the bullish trend will continue to climb higher this week, and well, anywhere into the range of 50 or above, I think it's highly possible. And if you want to close for the profit, well, go ahead after the midweek. Okay, so this week, what are we having? Take a look here. All right, very exciting, and this is going to take the next 5 minutes to follow us and perhaps put some pocket money into your own pocket. Alright, based on this website here, we are seeing on this coming week, which is the November, alright, this week on the 8th onwards, alright, well, we are not so interested in all these companies' earning reports, but particularly on Wednesday, okay, which is the 10th of November, this coming Wednesday, we are going to expect an earning report from Walt Disney based on the third quarter report, which is as of end September year 2021. Alright, let's take a look at this. And what do we have here? Well, if we read here, alright, it is written here that based on 12 analyst forecasts, the consensus earning per share forecast for the quarter is 50 cents per share. Alright, and the report of earnings per share for the same quarter last year, 2020, was only, well, that was a negative 20 cents. So we're expecting a gain on a year-to-year basis. Well, no clue for what kind of exact figure that we're going to get until Wednesday. All right, perhaps after the market close. But one very interesting things we look here is after the first quarter of 2021, which is this year, all right, after the Walt Disney announced that they're going to have their own movie channel and starting to bring in new subscribers. Well, surprisingly, if you look at the last 2 quarters, all right, the dark blue is the estimated earning per share, which is 29 cents, but the actual earning was 79 cents. It's way above the consensus. All right. Then the second quarter, as of June, we also have the actual earning per share at 80 cents, which is much higher than 57 cents on the estimated figure. So based on the third quarter, if you look at it, I think, well, I am very optimistic. Well, perhaps we are certain that the actual figure could be coming up again above the estimate, and that will actually give a good push to the stock prices of Walt Disney. All right, Walt Disney. And of course, you can spend some time if you go to thisnasdaq.com and start reading all this. But well, definitely we are looking at better results on this coming Wednesday. So let's take a look at how the technical chart performs, and perhaps you will believe in what I am giving a forecast here. All right, NYSE, Walt Disney. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, well, this is a wonderful chart, isn't it? And I think for those people who have followed us for the last 65 episodes and becoming pretty well familiar with our way of capturing a good uptrend and growing stock prices, well, you would have seen this EMA, which stands for moving exponential moving averages on 4, 20 and 200 are converging on a very good confluent line. All right, and this is a day chart based on Walt Disney, and on last Friday there was a little bit of uptrend, and the closing price on Friday was $175.63. Okay, and of course the momentum on 20 days actually moving to neutral line at 0, and very likely we're going to see a good move up this week. All right, especially after the good positive earning reports that is much stronger than the estimate. Okay, having said that, nothing much to show except to move into a 4-hour time scale, and I think you should be convinced, which there has been a cross up on last Friday. All right, so let's move back to well, maybe let's take a look at the week chart as we have got a bit more time. Weekly chart, I think, well, things are good based on the momentum here, and monthly chart, well, definitely after the many months of correction, we're going to see a possibly up move, okay, based on the day chart itself. So perhaps if you are keen, while the market is still doing a sideways on Monday and Tuesday, you may be interested to capture a long entry in Walt Disney, which I think the price, well, if I look at this, anywhere below the EMA 200 days, which is 177, I think that will be a good buy. Okay, and hopefully we have the first 2 to 3 days of sideways for you to find an entry, and most likely we strongly believe if the actual results are going to be stronger than the estimate, or we call consensus, once the result is out and the market prices break above 177, the next stop could be anywhere, well, back to here, which is about perhaps 185 or 190, or could be even higher, because this is a very strong confluent line. Okay, confluent line, we're talking about EMA 420, 200 converging together. All right, so this is the OTOP 66 for the week 8th of November, year 2021. We thank you for watching us. And well, let me take a look. It's about 10 minutes and it's time to go. All right. Say bye, ciao, and come back again next week. Stay tuned with us and continue to put some more money into your pocket for the Christmas. Bye-bye.